Welcome to Tech Logics. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to integrate the Philips T-Beam Smart Wi-Fi LED with Alexa for seamless voice control. By the end of this video, you'll be able to command your lights effortlessly using Alexa, enhancing your smart home experience. Before beginning the integration process, ensure that your T-Beam light is fully operational and can be controlled through the Wiz app. This step is crucial to confirming that your smart lighting setup is functioning correctly before proceeding to connect with Alexa. Additionally, make sure that the Alexa app is installed on the same phone where the Wiz app is running. Having both apps on the same device will streamline the integration process, making it easier and more efficient to link your Philips T-Beam Smart Wi-Fi LED with Alexa. To integrate and use your Philips LED with Alexa, you must first register or log into the Wiz app using your Google or Facebook account. This login is crucial as it serves as the communication bridge between Alexa and the Wiz app, allowing them to link and control the light effectively. If you haven't signed into the Wiz Connected app yet, or if you're a new user, start by clicking the profile icon on the Wiz Connected homepage. This will take you to the sign-in options where you can proceed. Next, click on the Sign In button to log in using your Google or Facebook account. During this process, you'll need to authorize the Wiz app to access your chosen account. This authorization enables the app to use the account information necessary for linking with Alexa. The Google or Facebook account you use with the Wiz app will later be linked to your Alexa setup. This linking procedure is essential for ensuring that Alexa can recognize and control your Philips LED light through voice commands, making your smart home integration seamless. Now, open the Alexa app on the same phone you used for the Wiz app. Navigate to the Device section, where you'll need to add a new skill, specifically, the Wiz Connected skill. This step is essential because it allows Alexa to recognize, communicate with, and control your Philips LED through the Wiz app integration, creating a seamless smart home experience. On the device page, tap the plus symbol located on the right-hand side. From the menu that appears, select the Add Device option. Then, in the search field, type Wiz Light to find and access the Wiz skill. Once you select it, the app will direct you to the Wiz Light page, where you'll see options to control the device, check its current state, and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts carefully, granting all necessary permissions. When ready, tap the Agree and Link button to finalize the integration, enabling Alexa to control your Philips T-Beam Smart Wi-Fi LED with voice commands. After successfully linking, Alexa will start discovering devices associated with your Wiz Connected account. You'll see the list of devices, such as your Philips T-Beam LED, and can choose which ones you want to control through Alexa. During this discovery process, Alexa might prompt you to set up routines for automatic turn-on and turn-off schedules. If you wish, you can enable these routines to automate your lighting based on time or other conditions, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. Once everything is set up, test the integration by issuing voice commands or controlling the lights directly from the Alexa app. Turn the light on and off to confirm that it responds correctly. If the device reacts as expected, your smart lighting system is successfully integrated and ready for effortless voice control. This verification step ensures that your setup works smoothly, offering a seamless experience with Alexa and your Philips smart light. The following voice commands can be used to control the T-Beamer light with Alexa. Alexa, turn on the living room. Alexa, turn off the living room. Alexa, set the living room brightness to 50%. Alexa, change the living room color to warm white. Alexa, set the living room to party mode. Alexa, dim the living room. Alexa, brighten the living room. Alexa, turn the living room on. Alexa, turn the living room off. You can adapt these commands based on your device name and preferences for easier control. For further clarification and to explore advanced features, we provide in-depth explanations in additional segments of this video series. These upcoming videos will help you maximize the benefits of your smart lighting system and discover all its capabilities, from custom automations to integration tips. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue creating valuable content and resources for our community. Every bit of encouragement is greatly appreciated, and we thank you for being a part of our journey.